Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with a new video about Revarse Smokey Eyeliner. It's a very easy and quick eye makeup tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you step by step. If you are like my video, then give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Well, let's move on to the video. First of all, I am going to start with my eyebrows. My last video was about eyebrows, like how to create your perfect eyebrows and all. If you did not check that, then go to description box and check this out. Here I am using this NC25 from MAC for eyebrow shaping and as an eyeshadow base. Well, as you can see, my eyebrows are done. After that, I am going to use this transition shade for NYX and applying it all on my eyelid. And then I am going to use this gel eyeliner from Maybelline. And now I am going to draw a small wing eyeliner. Well, I had already done rest of my makeup before I started this video. So now I am doing this gradually so that you can understand the proper way. After that, I am going to use this brown eyeshadow from PAC. Then I am going to apply this shade on top of my eyeliner and will blend all of this. Just keep blending. After that, I am gonna apply the same shade on my lower lash line like this. And always have to dust it off the excess product. After that, I am gonna use this black eyeshadow from PAC and always dust it off the excess. And now I am going to apply this close to my lower lash line. Take this light shade from this palette. You may use any light shade. And again I am going to apply the black eyeshadow close to my lower lash line. And now I am going to take this transition shade from nails and then I am going to blend all of this with very light handed. After that I am using this black kajal from Color Bar. After that I am using this shimmery shade for highlighting my inner corner of my eyes and brow bone as well. And it's done. So I will be back onto the video after completing my left side eye makeup. After that I am going to apply a mascara from Sugar. If you want to put on eyelash, you can, but here I am not using any false eyelash. And now I am going to apply a lipstick from Chambord. Shade number is 152. Well, this is my final look, and guys, please let me know your opinion whether you are liking or not. Just drop your comments in the comment section below. Bye.